What if I told you that in 2025, choosing between Arch Linux and Fedora isn't about freedom versus stability anymore? It's about picking which beta testing nightmare you're more comfortable living with, because both distros now demand serious compromises that nobody puts on the homepage. Arch still throws you directly into the deep end with manual partitioning, bootloader setup, network configuration, and more than 40 separate installation steps that realistically take 1.5 to 2 hours, even if you know what you're doing. And while its legendary Arch user repository boasts over 35,000 packages, there is zero automated verification, which became painfully clear in July 2025 when Chaos Rat malware slipped into popular browser-related packages and stayed live for 48 hours before removal, followed later that same month by Spark Rat appearing inside a reuploaded Google Chrome stable package, proving that community trust doesn't equal community security. Add in the fact that many users report GNOME breaking with nearly every major rolling update, to the point where some keep a permanent USB recovery stick just to restore their systems after routine upgrades. And Arch quickly turns everyday updates into technical firefights rather than maintenance. Fedora looks far more welcoming on the surface, with its graphical installer that finishes in 15 to 30 minutes. But the convenience comes at a cost: mandatory upgrades every 13 months driven by aggressive end-of-life cycles, with Fedora 40 ending on May 13, 2025, and Fedora 41 closing on November 19, 2025, meaning no skipping update cycles unless you want to risk security holes. Fedora's new DNF5 upgrade process adds another layer of frustration, flooding logs with massive repeated output that makes error hunting nearly impossible, while years of forum complaints document updates that have completely destroyed installations, sometimes forcing users to abandon Fedora altogether and reinstall more conservative distros like Linux Mint. In the end, Arch hands you ultimate control but burdens you with constant verification and repair work, while Fedora trades simplicity for relentless upgrade pressure and unpredictable breakage, leaving you to choose whether you'd rather spend your Linux life fixing rolling updates or grinding through mandatory releases hoping the upgrade actually finishes cleanly.